Open up. Let's open up this Kinder Joy. Here. Treat and toy. Kinder Joy eggs. 3 of them, but I'm only going to open up 1. I don't want to open up all 3. My mom got these for me yesterday. I like these because the chocolate's really good. So this is the chocolate. And then you also get a toy, which is pretty cool. Back in the day, they used to just have these Wonder Balls. That's what they were called. And I don't know if they make those anymore, but I remember when I was little, there used to be Wonder Balls, but I don't know if those are made anymore. I don't know. Get a little character of some sort in here. Apparently, this creature is some type of something. Some type of something. I don't know what it is. Well, I'm not going to sit here all day and try to figure this out, but I'll figure this out eventually. But anyway, opening up Kinder Surprise Egg. Or Kinder Joy. Treat plus toy. Thanks for watching. Peace.